Dear students, in this lecture, we will discuss this example. Example is based on line integral. Now, find the work done in moving a particle from this point 0, 1, minus 1 to pi by 2, minus 1, 2 in a force field F bar which is given by y square cos x plus z cube into I plus 2y sin x minus 4 into j plus 3x z square plus 2 into k. And one more additional question is asked, is the field conservative? So there are two parts in this example. First part is to find out the work done in moving this particle from this point to this point, and second one is this field given by F bar is conservative. Now what is the initial point? So initial point is, let us say 0, 1, minus 1, and what is final point? Final point is pi by 2, minus 1 and 2. So look at these 2 points. Let us call this point as A and this final point as B. Now how many paths are there from A to B? In fact, there are infinitely many paths from A to B, joining A to B. And in this example, they have not mentioned about any path. They have just asked to find out the work done in moving particle from this point to this point. So they have not said anything about the path, because in general line integral depends on the path which is what joining A to B. But in this example they have not mentioned anything about the path. And is the field conservative? This is one more additional question. So it might happen that in this example F bar is conservative, because if F bar is not conservative, then for different paths you might get different answers, and then we say that this problem is not well defined, because for different paths you will get different answers, so which is not possible. So therefore in this example F bar might be conservative. So first of all we will verify F bar is conservative or not. Now point is how to check that F bar is conservative. So test is very simple. You have to just calculate del cross F bar and verify is it 0 or not. So del cross F bar, calculate del cross F bar is equal to determinant of I, j, k. This is the first row. Then what are the components of del? Dabba by dabba x, dabba by dabba y, dabba by dabba z. What are the components of F bar? It is y square cos x plus z cube. What is second component? F2, 2y sin x minus 4. And what is third component? 3x z square plus 2. So let us solve this determinant. Now I into bracket partial differentiation of this with respect to y. So there is no term containing y, so it is 0. So 0 minus dabba by dabba z of this. So there is no term containing z, so answer is again 0. Then minus j times dabba by dabba x of this. So what is this with respect to x? So 3z square minus dabba by dabba z of this. So dabba by dabba z of this is constant 0. So z cube 3z square plus k into dabba by dabba x of this. So 2y cos x minus dabba by dabba y of this. 2y cos x. 2y cos x. Now look at the expression which is written at last. So it is 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Therefore we conclude that del cross F bar is 0. And once we say that del cross F bar is 0, F bar is conservative. And once we say F bar is conservative, so work done, it is independent of the path joining the 2 points. Because for every path you will get the same answer. So it is independent of the path joining the 2 points. Now how to find out this work done? So I have answered second question first. So F bar is conservative. I say that del cross F bar is 0, therefore F bar is conservative. Now it is very easy to find out the work done for conservative field. Now I answer the first question. So therefore work done is equal to integral over what, a to b. I have said a is this point and b is this last point. Let us say a is this, b is this. So integral a to b f bar dot dr bar. So integral a to b, what is f bar? This is y square cos x plus z cube into dx plus 2y sin x minus 4 into dy plus 3x z square plus 2 into dz. So is equal to integral a to b. Since f bar is conservative, so f bar dot dr bar, that is this entire expression, this can be written as total derivative of some scalar point function, that is total derivative of some phi. So this is derivative of, total derivative of. Now see how I adjust the terms. So y square cos x dx, okay, this is derivative of, see, y square sin x. What is differentiation of y square sin x? Total derivative of y square sin x with respect to x. So you will say y square cos x into dx. So when I differentiate this with respect to x, it will absorb first term. And when I differentiate this with respect to y, so it is 2y sin x dx. So it will absorb this term. So derivative of y square sin x. So it corresponds to what? Y square cos x dx plus 2y sin x dy. Then what about next term? Z cube dx and 3x square dz. What is derivative of z cube x? If with respect to x it is z cube dx, and with respect to z it is 3x z square dz. So I write here plus z cube x and minus 4 dy. This is differentiation of minus 4y and plus 2 dz, that is plus 2z. So this total expression, this entire expression, it is the total derivative of this expression. Now rest of the part is very simple. So therefore integration of d of this, integration derivative will cancel. So is equal to y square sin x plus z cube x minus 4y plus 2z. Now from a to b. So what is a? So a was 0, minus 1, 1. What was a? Let me check out. 0, 1, minus 1. 0, 1, minus 1. And what is b? So b is pi by 2 minus 1, 2. Pi by 2 minus 1, 2. It is given in the example. So is equal to upper limit. Calculate the value of this expression for upper limit. So when x is equal to from lower limit to upper limit. Okay. So when x is equal to pi by 2, so y square sin x. So y square is 1, sin x sin pi by 2 is 1. So this is 1 plus z cube into x. So z cube is 8 pi by 2. So it is 4 pi minus 4 y is here minus 1. So plus 4 and plus 2z, that is plus 4. So this is the value when x is pi by 2, y is minus 1 and z is 2. Minus for lower limit. So x is 0, so sin x is 0, z cube. So first two terms they are 0. Minus 4y, so minus 4, y is 1 and plus 2z, z is minus 1. So what is this value then? Is equal to 9 plus 4 pi minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 minus 6 minus, so plus 6, so 15 plus 4 pi units. So for the given example, f bar is conservative and work done by that force vector f bar in moving this particle from this point to this point is ultimately 15 plus 4 pi. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.